video on how you can connect your app to like the web. You could show a web page on one of the views of your app. It was requested by one of my students, and I think it will be pretty short. I hope it's helpful and I hope you enjoy it. Starting off in Xcode, of course, I'm going to create a single view app. Call it WebPrac. Language, of course, is Swift. User interface is going to be storyboard. I'm going to save it in my iOS apps. And I'm going to start in the viewcontroller.swift file. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import a dictionary, WebKit. And then I'll have all the functionality that we need. Next, I'll create a variable. It's WebView, and it's going to be a WK WebView. And we'll unwrap that with an exclamation mark. The next is I'm going to put another override function before view did load, and it's going to be called loadView. And inside of here, we're going to assign a value to WebView. WebView is going to be equal to WK WebView. WebView navigation delegate is going to be equal to self, and then the view is going to be equal to WebView. So we'll show the web page in the view. Now we're getting an error here, and that's because we haven't told the view controller that this that it's going to be the navigation delegate. So up here where it says class view controller, UI view controller, you're just going to put comma WK navigation delegate. And that will get rid of the error. Inside of view did load, we're going to say let URL equal inside of these quotation marks, you can put any website you want. You do have to put HTTPS. You do have to put that in front. And we have to unwrap that with an exclamation mark. Next, we're going to say WebView.load URL request, and that's going to be our URL that we created with that string. Next up, we're just going to add a little functionality. WebView.allows back-forward navigation with gestures. We're going to say that's equal to true. Alright, and it loaded, and we can navigate around a little bit. The functionality that we put in there is you're going to be able to drag on the edge and navigate backwards, or drag on the other edge and navigate forward. So that's just that extra functionality we put in there. And so you can view a website through the app you're creating. Hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.